Does it suck? It's been about a week since I've hung this up, and it's been sitting above this car, which there's no dents on the hood, so I guess that's good. So let's bring this down. Right, here with Alex, we are going to install this hose reel from Giraffe tools. Right, it actually costs more than my Ryobi pressure washer. Just took off the first box, but I didn't fully unbox it. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Damn, we got some crazy anchors. I'm guessing this is for concrete. It is 65 feet of 3,400 PSI hose. So the plan is to get this plywood, which used to be a shelf, and mount it up against here. There's a stud here and a stud here. I can sandwich that to here, and then I can anchor the hose reel to the plywood. Then on top of that, we have our Sun Age Ryobi here. It will fit directly behind here, right? And then I can make a little shelf for it. Okay, so we just need to give this a little kiss, and we're gonna set up the vacuum and hopefully not make a mess. What's nice about this is I can just roll this whole workbench to wherever I'm going. I recommend this 10 out of 10. So even though I have a template, I just want to make sure it's gonna clear, because obviously this is gonna be the garage door. And ideally I'd want this up, I'd say we'd be safe there. To make our life easy, we're just gonna cut out the template. All right, so I couldn't find any lag bolts, but I found these super thick Phillip heads. And what I was hating about it was with this, I could get a gear wrench to tighten it. But we do have our Easy Red Low Pro. This should be fine. Okay, perfect. I'll go there. Okay, with the help of this tool and this tool, which is an extension on an extension on an extension on an extension, I was able to tighten it. Should be good now. Close, but yeah. We'll live. Next is going to be mounting the pressure washer. Alex just asked me if it's too high. Is it too high? You know, here at KA Auto Works, we like to utilize every square inch of our space here. So by doing this as high as we can, oh, I also drilled this cabinet from the back side. Hold this. Let's see, is it too high? I don't know. Does that look too high?
Not anymore.
We have the perfect amount of clearance here, and that's how we're able to jam pack so much stuff in this garage. Asking if it's too close. Come on, man. You think I'm a rookie or something?
I'm a rookie, so that's why I'm saying this might be too close.
So I just need to get a 90-degree to come off the back here, and then I could probably put a quick connect and just easily attach the hose right here, right? But for now, one of the messes I'm dealing with is this Ryobi Vacuum 35-foot pool cleaner hose. And I'm gonna make a hose reel. And this hose reel, Rockler sells them. They're like 200 bucks. On sale like 160 free shipping, but I decided to make one. All you need are these Lazy Susan bearings, and you just need a spool. Make this all work would be these flex. These are couplers and they spin so it doesn't bind. So I'm gonna place this inside. So this is gonna go in here to the coupler. The rest is going to spin around. A couple days later, we have the parts. Okay, so this is the 90, and this is just a little flex extension. 3 times. So snug that there. Little loop-de-loop. Gonna drill a hole through here, and this is gonna mount on the side and gonna box it in essentially. Bolt this warped plywood to this. And I want to get a good radius here so it actually looks cool. Obviously this wasn't centered. Alright, so I'm just gonna drill 2 holes. We're rolling. We're rolling. Let's discuss why this is kind of shitty. I decided to reuse wood that I had laying around and it was warped. I got the spool for free. All I had to buy were some Lazy Susan hinges or some bearings, and that was probably like $6 for the pair. So check that out. Let's get that hose in here. Shitty. So we're just going to... Phone storage was full, so I didn't record any of it, but let me show you. It is finished. And I just velcroed this so it didn't unravel, but 35 feet fit perfectly here. So essentially, I don't know, I made these so it didn't wobble so bad, and so it doesn't become disconnected, indexed, and secure. Look how cool that is. So I realized I could just mount this flat also onto something, just like that piece of wood for now. Does it suck? All right, let's record this. I'm just gonna pull. how easy it is to put away. I haven't built a crank for it yet. So my setup here, I have 35 feet, homemade hose reel, dust collector, and a rigid vac. This is the cheapest of the cheapest Ryobi. It was probably like $40 on Direct Tool Warehouse. And then my Giraffe Tools $120 hose reel. I splurged on that. Some people were asking about the fan. The fan is literally a Lasco fan, and it just takes regular HEPA filters. So if I pop this open, there's a HEPA filter in there. And I just hung it on these little 4x8 flexi mount roof racks. And then I had a chain so we can adjust the pitch. Thanks for watching. I could have paid $160 for the Rockler vacuum hose reel, but I didn't. You know, this video was just to reel you in. Making this cardboard shroud. Cardboard aided design. Look at that. Then when I chop stuff, I can just broom it down in there.